So we're at Marina Rubicon in Lanzarote, and we've got 11 members of the British sailing windsurfing team out here, and we're out here training for the winter, getting ready for the season, and actually building up for Paris 2024 Olympics. It feels pretty spectacular as well. It doesn't just look spectacular. I mean, it's a lot faster than normal windsurfing. They're doing higher angles. It's a bit more 3D. They've got a bit on. So it's pretty intense. It's pretty adrenaline, like full power, full send all the time, really. So names we've got here, so on the girls side we've got Isla Watson, who is under 21 gold medalist at the last international games and got a silver medal at the European Championships. We've also got the Sills twins, so Saskia Sills, who's been a kind of world title contender for quite a few years in RSX, and her twin sister Imogen, who was really successful at youth and then has come back into iQFoil now and was super successful last year, getting a top 10 at the international games. Also in the girls' fleet, we've got Emily Hall, who's joined the team after a really successful campaign last year, and Jenna Gibson, who's also joined the team, and she comes from slalom windsurfing, where she's been youth and IFCA slalom champion and came in the top 15 at the iQFoil games last year as well. The boys, we've got 6 sailors out here that are training for the iQFoil. We've got Sam Sills, who actually joins his twin sisters who are in the girls team, and Sam came top 10 at the iQFoil International Games last year, and he was joined in that top 10 by Matt Barton, who again only learned to foil just over a year ago but managed to get himself in the top 10 there as well. We've also got Finn Hawkins, who went to the Youth Olympic Games where he got a bronze medal, and he's the youngest sailor out here. But again, he got into the top 15 at the iQFoil International Games last year after only a year or so on the foil. They're joined by Henry Bloodworth, James Hatcher and Andy Brown, who make up the rest of the team, who have come from different parts of windsurfing, whether that be RSX windsurfing or RSX, which is again the old Olympic equipment, along with the other sides to it as well. For us, the reason we chose Lanzarote is we need someone that was going to have enough wind all the time. So with foiling, we need it to be above 5-6 knots on a pretty regular basis. And actually, we've been here for 3 months now and we've not lost a day of sailing. So the consistency of wind has been fantastic. We're also trying to prepare ourselves for different locations and different venues. So places like Marseille, where we're going to compete in the future, can be pretty lumpy and bumpy. And the beauty about Lanzarote is you get all conditions depending what you need and what you want to go. So we go out round the corner, we get massive swell and big seas. We can hide by the marina to get flat water and lighter winds, or we can head off the other way to get something in between. So it really gives us a massive variety of stuff. It's also pretty warm, which is nice, which makes a massive difference when you're getting the hours on the water. And it's actually been probably even better than we hoped it was going to be.